What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up over 20 brand new Hot Wheels cars. Plus, we're going to have a little bit of a bonus Matchbox card that we're going to open up within this video. So stay tuned for that. Let's get started. And we'll start it off with the brand new recolor of the 1991 GMC Cyclone pickup truck. We did see this one previously released in black, then red, and now we've got this brand new blue and silver color kind of mixed in. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here, and I'm a really big fan of this car. I really think it looks super cool. I love that flatbed on there, as well as the coloring on here. The wheels I think look absolutely fantastic for it. Really cool from the front end, although not much as far as tampo work goes, but we do have the little GMC logo that's kind of edged right into there. If we look in the back, we do have the lights that are highlighted right there, as well as the Cyclone logo GMC on the back as well. Really cool. And these wheels I think are just absolutely perfect for this GMC Cyclone. And next up, we have the ASTANA HOTTO from the Fast and Furious Spy Racers Netflix series. Really cool looking car. It's kind of a mixture between like maybe like a 350Z and a Dodge Viper of some sort, something like that. Almost looks also kind of Datsun-ish as well. Very cool. I like the design of it, although it has a very big wing on there, which looks kind of sporty and weird. I don't know, kind of looks a little bit off center, but it's all right. We've got the mesh gold wheels on there, these weird headlights on the front of it, a nice stamping and stuff like that as well. And on the back end, we got that diffuser underneath, and it's all gray on the bottom. I think it's a really cool looking car. I haven't seen this Fast and Furious Spy Racers show, but I think it would be pretty neat to see this one in action. And next up, we have a brand new casting. It is the '06 Pontiac GTO, and this one looks like it's all like dragstered out of some sort. It's in this nice looking burnt orange color. Let's go ahead and pop it open. This is from the Factory Fresh series, and there we go. These wheels, in my opinion, kind of ugly, but nonetheless, I guess they kind of fit this like mid-2000s era car. There's that wheelie bar on the back of it right there. That's what that is right there. It's even got the parachute on the back. No tampo work or anything on the rear end right there. We've got some sort of like writing and striping right on the side right there. And then on the front end, I think that's great detail for the front end. I think that looks really cool. I love the scoops right there, the headlights, the little grill that's kind of painted, that Pontiac classic grill. But there it is, the 2006 Pontiac GTO drag racing car. And next up, another brand new casting. This one's really interesting. It's called They See Me Rollin', or not they, it's just See Me Rollin', but there it is right there. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and open this one up. It's from the Experimotor series. I'm going to show you what this one's all about, but check it out. All right, looks like a normal wheel tire combination. Looks like a normal wheel tire combination, although it is a funky design. But then you flip it over, boom, check out that from underneath. It's got like a single, like a roller type piece right there. Very weird, very interesting. Even if you look on the top, they see me rollin', so you can see that how it rolls right through. And the cool thing about this one is why they call it See Me Rollin' is because if you look down there, this is actually a dice. So you can see all the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all there. So you can actually use this as a dice. So if you say roll it down here, and then you pick it up, and you can see, oh, we got number 6 right there. All right, very cool. So you can have it, see me rollin', use it as a dice, and if you have a game or some sort and you need to use a dice, it's a really cool dice to use. But there we go, see me rollin', very interesting new casting from Hot Wheels. LOCO MOTORIN from the X Racers series, and you can see this one, very interesting. This is a new casting for 2021, but you can see now they've got it in this X-ray look, and this is the Thomas the Train. So the other one that came out has like the little Thomas the Train face on there, but this one, it's just all silvered out just like that. So let's go ahead and pop it open, get a close-up look. I mean, it's really cool that you can see through the details on this casting right there. So it's all chrome on the inside, and you can just see right through it. Isn't that crazy? Very cool, very unique touch, this one. And I mean, it's just all chrome on the front end, no face or anything like that. But just check that out. I'd love to see these X Racers come out in license casting. So I mean, it'd be cool to see like a McLaren or a Lamborghini or something like that that comes out in an X Racers series. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. And we've got a brand new recolor of the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. It's in this like camo-like color from it. This is from the Baja Blazers series, which I really like. I'll tell you why in a second. I've said it before on previous videos, but I absolutely love this series because if we look at it, Very cool looking truck nonetheless, but look at the tires. It's got like all mud and stuff like that all on the tires. So it's very, very cool that they're coming out with the Baja Blazers series that has those like mud look on there. But this truck nonetheless, really, really cool. Liking the camo on the side. It's a matte finish paint job on there. Chevrolet written on the back right there into the casting itself. Number 19 for 2019. We got the sunroof on the top. We got the black bed in there. And if we look on the front, you can see it's got some sort of writing. I'm not sure exactly what that means on the front right there, but very, very cool. I was super excited when this casting first came out, and I'm loving all the new recolors of it. It just looks like a big monsterish truck. 95 Mazda RX-7. This is the mainline variation. There is a Super Treasure Hunt variation of this one, but we've got this one from the Factory Fresh series, and this is just it's a straight up clean looking RX-7. And I'll tell you why in a second. I mean, it's just a very, very nice looking glossy black paint job, and these wheels look absolutely fantastic. You know how much I love these wheels. We got the tan interior on there, which is kind of interesting. I mean, it gives a little bit of contrast, so it's not just completely blacked out, but a very, very cool looking casting. Really, really like this one. We got the Mazda logo just right there in the front. We've got the pop-up headlights, so you don't actually see any headlights, but we got the little stripe markers right there. I guess those are like the little lights in the front as well. And then on the back, we've got the lights, the tampos for them. We got the little Hot Wheels logo, the Mazda logo right there, little RX-7 logo as well. But just an all-around clean looking Mazda RX-7. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this one. Clip rod from the Experimotors series. We've got a new color variation of this one. Something a little bit unique about this one, which they're kind of give you a hint on what you use this for. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and I will show you guys here. Here we go. So we've got this clip rod. So if you guys are familiar with clip rod, it's essentially, it's a clip. But they call it clip rod, so what exactly is it for? Well, I mean, it's got a dollar sign right there. So pretty obvious that this is just a little money clip. So you can actually put your real money into there and use this as a money clip. So I mean, if you're a big Hot Wheels collector and you go to shows or something like that, wouldn't it be cool to use a clip rod as your little money holder? I think that's really, really cool. I like this casting. Nice to see new colors coming out of this one. It's just something unique, something like useful for a casting. I think it's really, really cool, guys. What do you guys think? And one of the highlight cars for the video, the 2021 Ford Bronco from the Then and Now series. So we are going to get a then variation of a Bronco at some point this year. But let's go ahead and pop open this brand new casting. I'm loving the new Bronco. I'm glad that Ford is bringing it back. And there we go. We've got this really, really cool looking blue color for it. Bronco written on the front end right there, and Bronco written on the side of it. And then we've got the little spare tire wheel combination on the back. Again, I just love this blue color. I think it looks great, and it looks like it's like raised up, and it's got the big mutters on there. Just a great looking casting all around. And you know what? I do want to see a recolor of this, and can you guess which recolor I want to see of the Ford Bronco? I'll give you a second to think about it. Okay, I do want to see a white one, guys. I know. You know why? The OJ Bronco. It'd be cool to see a new generation of the OJ Bronco in white from Hot Wheels. Another very useful casting besides just being a collectible Hot Wheels car, we've got the Experimotors Speed Driver, and this one, it's got a wrench on it. So you can actually use this one as a real life wrench, and we've got this new color variation of it. So there it is, metal wrench. So if you're looking for a wrench and you need to tighten something or loosen something, you can actually take this Hot Wheels car and you can use it as a tool, as an actual tool. So very, very cool. I kind of like this casting. I mean, I like these like useful castings that you can actually use them as like the money clip one, or a tool of some sort, or there's the can opener one that they have. Very, very cool. But what do you guys think of the new Speed Driver color? And you guys saw it in the thumbnail. That's right. It's the 2020 KOENIGSEGG JESKO from the HW Torque, Hot Wheels Torque series. Brand new casting for this year. We absolutely love it. We saw it first in silver. Now we've got the gray variation. Let's go ahead and pop open this one right here and take a look at the new color of the KOENIGSEGG JESKO. What do you guys think? It's a dark gray color as opposed to the silver color they released before, and I'm liking the new colors that they're coming out with. I kind of want to see this one maybe in a white or a black would look really cool, or maybe even like a nice blue. But nonetheless, this gray color looks good. good. I really like the touch of color that they have right down there, and I just love the windows, the dark, kind of like tinted dark windows, and then the back window that's kind of tinted down there, and then great looking big spoiler, the big rear center exhaust on there. Just an all-around great looking casting. I'm super happy to see Koenigsegg back in some new castings for Hot Wheels. Hopefully we see some more again in the future. Another brand new and interesting casting, it is the Mars Perseverance Rover. Very, very cool, from the HW Space Series. It's a 6x6. I've been waiting to open this one up, so let's go ahead and pop it open right here and check this one out. I love the 6-wheel and tire combination on there, and it's got like this little thing, which I think would be like maybe the camera of some sort. I'm not sure exactly. I don't really know a lot about this one in real life, but it's just super cool to see a Mars Rover type vehicle come to the Hot Wheels lineup. And check that out at the bottom. Check how that's all done. It's got like an extra racers type of bottom on there, and then it's got the 6-wheel tire combination that kind of stick out on it, and then from the rear end it's got all these weird contraptions and stuff built into it. If you guys know a lot about this one in real life, you could probably tell me what all these different things are. If you guys are knowledgeable about that, let me know in the comment section down below. But again, just a super cool casting to see come to the Hot Wheels lineup. What do you guys think about this one? Surf's Up is back. We got a new color of it. This one was popular for the Olympic series that they did last year, and we've got the HW Daredevils, and check it out, it's the number 68, or is it 89, 68, 89, something like that on the actual board, and it actually matches right on the board for this guy himself. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and I will show you this casting. If you've never seen this casting, you've never got a hold of it, it's very cool, and I just love how they're doing these unique and interesting different castings to the Hot Wheels lineup. And check it out, it's a guy surfing, and then this all right here is supposed to be like water, like he's splashing through the water itself, and you can actually take him off, I think. Yeah, you can just pop him right off right there. The board itself doesn't come off, it's all just stuck right onto there, but you can see the guy that's just surfing away. And if we have a look at the actual board itself, there it is. Cool color. I like that color combination right there. Very interesting, unique casting, guys. I love it. I love Surf's Up. I think it's just something crazy to add to the Hot Wheels lineup. And what do you even call it? I guess it would be a fantasy casting. It's not a licensed real casting or anything, but it's just a guy surfing, and then they made it into Hot Wheels. Isn't that awesome? And it's time for our special bonus Matchbox casting. Do you guys know what it's going to be? Boom! There it is, the brand new Corvette C8, the 2020 Corvette C8. And I found this one in the stores, and you know what? I wanted to open it up on video. Didn't really have any specific video to put it into, so why not mix it into this one? It's a crazy cool looking casting, Matchbox edition. Here we go. Let's go open up this C8. We are getting a C8 into the Hot Wheels lineup, but it is the C8R, the race car variation. This is just your stock road car variation, and I love this color. It's kind of like an aqua blue color, and just check it out. Check out the details from the front end right there. Look at that. I love the lights on it. And if we look from the side, it's just so sporty looking. These wheels look fantastic on it. It's like a titanium, kind of almost bronzish type wheel on there. From the rear end, great detail and all of that for that one right there. And on the top, I just love all the kind of angles and stuff of the Corvette C8. And you know what? The Corvette C8, before I saw one in person, I didn't think it was like super cool. I thought it was neat looking, but when I saw this one in person, I actually just saw one again yesterday. Such a cool looking car in real life. It's better looking in person than it is in these little castings and models and stuff like that. So if you have not got an opportunity to see one, you have to see one. Such a cool looking car. What do you guys think of the Matchbox Corvette C8? Jaguar XESV Project 8, brand new color variation. We've got this glossy red color from the HW Torque series. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what this one's all about. Here we go. I love red. I think it looks great on sporty cars, and you can see the Jaguar. It looks absolutely fantastic. Great looking front end, great Tampa work for the headlights, the little Jaguar logo on the front end right there. The wheels that are all blacked out, I like that. That looks good because I'm not a really big fan of these wheels when they have that, like the painting of chrome or silver or something like that on the front end. Right there on the top of it, it's just great when they're all blacked out. You can see from the rear end, good stamping, tampa work, and all that. We've got the imitation carbon fiber roof on this one as well, and a really cool looking spoiler. What do you guys think of that big spoiler on this one? Jaguar. Oh, I love it. Love the Jaguars. Love seeing all the new color combinations of them. Fast bed hauler, brand new recolor. Liking this car. It's like a tow truck of some sort. I guess it is supposed to be that tow truck. It's kind of a classic looking design, and maybe it's from like the 1930s or so it's supposed to be, but you can see right here, it just looks like an old school tow truck. Very, very cool. All chrome, all bodied all around the side right here, and then it's got this kind of like aquaish, maybe like greenish bluish color right there as well. Look at the chrome pipes that come up there as well. The nice flatbed, and let's see if it works. Let's grab the Bronco. Let's grab the new Bronco. Oh, the Bronco. Nope, the Bronco's too big. We got to grab something else. How about we grab the RX-7? Ooh, the RX-7's actually kind of too big as well. We need something like super small. How about the Rollin one, the See Me Rollin here? How about that? There we go. That one works really well. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Love the flatbed pickup truck, tow truck thing. Loopster from Experiment Motors, and this is supposed to be a roller coaster. And then one thing that you'll know, if you actually have a lot of these Loopster cars, you can actually pair them all together. So if you see on the back, it's got this little hook right there, and all the other ones have the hook right on the front end. So if you have multiples of the Loopster, you can put them together and you can roll them all along together. But this is a brand new recolor of it. It's pink with like some blue trim and yellow tire wheel combination on there. And if you look in the back, you can see one of the guys right there has his arms up. Isn't that cool? It's a neat little touch. All the other ones are just kind of like scared and maybe they're thrown up or barfing or something like that, whereas that one guy is just having so much fun in the Loopster. 2017 Lamborghini Urus. And I know I have opened up one of these before, but this was included in our recent case, so why not open up another one? It's such a cool looking casting. We got to open it up and see what it's all about here. Check out this color. We saw it originally in yellow. Now we've got this blue color, and check out these wheels. And this is the wheels that I was saying that I'm not a huge fan of when they put the silver on there. I would have liked to see these all completely blacked out. I mean, you could technically just take a Sharpie on these and just black them out yourself if you really wanted to. Love the detail on the front end of this. Like I said, the Urus is just a great looking casting. Super excited to see it into the Hot Wheels lineup. Check out all the detail on the back end right there, the license plate, the Lamborghini logo on there. Just an all-around great look. And we are going to be getting a white one of these pretty soon, and probably we're going to get some more recolors of it in the future, so stay tuned for those. But what do you guys think of the Lamborghini Urus? 1985 Honda CRX. There it is, a new color variation of this from the HW Speed Graphics series. Turbo written on the side, and this is a very like Japanese look or design or color variation. We've seen lots of different JDM type cars come out with this white, red and blue combination, and I think it looks pretty cool. I think it just totally does look Japanese. I mean, a lot of you guys would say maybe it's kind of Americanish because it's red, white, and blue, but just the way that they have the white highlighted with just a splash of the red and blue on there, it looks pretty cool. You can see even on the back, it's got a little bit of a red trim on there, and just check out the front end, that little like cowl indentation right there as well. Pretty cool looking. Pop-up headlights on this, so nothing painted on the front end or anything like that. And we've got these like nice mesh wheel tire combination right there. I think it's a pretty cool looking car. The CRXs, I mean, I always thought they're kind of funny looking because it looks like the back end's been like chopped off. But this one right here, it actually looks pretty decent because of the spoiler. So you don't really see that chop off look on the CRX. And last but definitely not least, we've got the Volkswagen Beetle, and this one is Love 2021 from the Holiday Racer series. So of course, because it's Valentine's Day this weekend, we've got the Valentine's Day edition of the Volkswagen Beetle. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what this one's all about right here. And there it is, all different types of design and stuff on the side of it. Very kind of retro looking wheel tire combination that are painted right there. And the Volkswagen Beetle is just a very, very classic car, and this is just a great looking casting variation of it. I think it looks fantastic. We've seen a lot of different like tuned out variations and like small variations of the Volkswagen Beetle, but this is just a stock looking Volkswagen Beetle, and it's a great look. Fantastic job. I mean, I would say it's maybe a little bit bigger proportionate to what the real life one would be. It looks like it's maybe a slightly like 1/62 scale of some sort, because it's a little bit bigger than the other ones, but nonetheless, I'm not disappointed. I think it looks great. What do you guys think of this Valentine's Day edition of the Volkswagen Beetle? All right, guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which is your favorite car that I opened up today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.